Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how can you rearrange your object in a PowerPoint slide in terms of order. How can you change the order of the object, how can you change the position of the object, and how can you rotate your object. So let's begin. So the steps are simple. For example, first we will learn how we can change the order of the object. So for example, you have 3 or 4 pictures, different pictures. If you see the order, so this picture where the scientist is doing the experiment is the first one in term of order, and this one is the second, and the logo one is the third. So I want to change the order of the picture. I want this logo picture should be the first one and this one should be the last. How I can change the order? So there are two things. If you want to bring it, no matter how many pictures you have, this should be at the top. You can use this option. Which option? For example, whenever you click on the picture, the tab will appear on your screen, the picture format. You have to click on it, and here you will see the option arrange. This arrange option is also available in home tab. Usually it by default it is there. If it is not, for that you can check our video where we teach you how you can incorporate a tab that you want on your PowerPoint slide. So let's go here on a picture format. Here what you can do, you have to go here in a bring to forward and bring it to front. So no matter how many pictures you have, your logo or your desired picture will come at the top. So now you want to send this picture at the back side. What you can do two things. Either you can send it back no matter how many pictures there are, and you just go send to backward and select this option, send to back. But if you want to just send one step backward, how you can do this? You can select this option, send backward, so it will go only one step back. Or if you want to bring it one step forward, you have to go here, bring it forward. So you see it doesn't it do not overcome on this picture, but in the middle of these two pictures. This is how you can rearrange your objects or change the order of your pictures. So the second thing is how you can change the position of your objects. For example, you have 3 pictures. You want to keep them on the side or in the center or at the top or at the bottom. How you can play with it? For example, you have a picture, you want to align them. What you need to do, once you click on it, the same option, picture format, go here, and here you can see the option align the object. Go in here. There are 3 different things. For example, this one will help you in playing with the picture like horizontally. The second option in which you can play with your pictures vertically, and this will tell you later how you can use these options. So I want to align my pictures vertically in the center of the page. How I can do? First of all, I will align my picture at the top, so it goes at the top. Now in the center, I will go in here, same option, and I will use this center. For the second picture, I want to keep it at the center. What I will do, middle and center. For this picture, bottom and center. So my pictures are aligned vertically. But sometime, for example, you have pictures somewhere else, like here in the different arrangement, but the gaps between the pictures is different. You want to keep that similar gap between the pictures. So what you need to do, you have to select all the pictures by keep pressing the shift button, or you can select all the pictures by just selecting all the pictures by mouse. And then what you need to do, go again here, use this option, distribute vertically. So it will arrange the picture in the way the gap between the picture remains same in whatever arrangement of the pictures you like and wherever you want. The last thing is how you can rotate the pictures. For this, this is very simple. For example, you want this picture upside down. What you can do, select the picture, go again here, go in this option rotation, and you can change 90 degree, and one time and twice it will become upside down. Or you can rotate it 360 as well. You can rotate in the other direction, or if you want to flip, you want to keep the upside down directly, you can select this option. Or you want to change the direction, you can flip in the other way around as well. You can do it by yourself manually. If you want to tilt a picture a little bit or rotate not 90 degree but 45 degree, so you can do it manually also with the pictures. By clicking on it, the rotation sign will appear, so you can select and rotate in any direction. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.